empowering your creativity with the latest AI tools. In a world constantly evolving, the rise of AI tools like Fliki and Murf is revolutionizing how we work and create. These tools are your new partners in productivity, transforming your ideas into reality with ease. Imagine converting text to speech and lifelike voices with Fliki or creating compelling voiceovers with Murf. The possibilities are endless. Gone are the days of feeling stuck or uninspired. With these AI tools at your fingertips, you're empowered to bring your visions to life. Whether you're crafting engaging content, presentations, or educational materials, AI is your secret weapon. It's time to embrace the future and make these tools a part of your creative process. Fear of the new is natural, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. With user-friendly interfaces, you'll find adapting to these tools surprisingly easy. Imagine the satisfaction of mastering a tool that amplifies your productivity and creativity tenfold. That reality is within your reach. Consider the countless hours saved, the ideas flawlessly executed, and the projects brought to life with precision and flair. These AI tools aren't just about making tasks easier, they're about elevating your work to new heights. Why settle for the ordinary when you can achieve the extraordinary? Let's not forget the power of collaboration. These tools facilitate seamless teamwork, allowing ideas to flow freely and efficiently. Imagine a world where your creative potential is limitless, where your ideas can be shared and refined without barriers. This is the world AI tools like Fliki and Murf are creating. So, take the leap today. Step into the future of creativity and productivity. Embrace these AI tools and watch as your work transforms. Remember, in the realm of innovation, the only limit is your imagination. Let's embark on this journey together, embracing the possibilities that AI brings to our fingertips.